everyone and welcome to our class. We have studied a bunch of idioms throughout the year, and in today's our English lesson, we are reviewing the idioms which have been studied and explained so far. And my diligent grade 9 students want to share their favorite idioms with you.
Hello everyone, now I'm going to be talking about my favorite idioms. We've studied many idioms throughout the year, but my favorite one is no guts, no glory, which means if you don't have the courage to take a risk or do something that might be risky, you won't be able to achieve your goal. For example, you're seeing someone who's really stressing out and they're thinking about giving up. You're like, it's okay, don't give up. Basically, no guts, no glory at the end of the day.
Okay, hello everyone, my name is Vina. So my favorite idiom throughout this whole year is no pain, no gain. No pain, no gain means you have to suffer, you have to work really hard in order to get something you really want, in order to achieve something you really want. For example, when someone is giving up on something, you tell them no pain, no gain. It means you have to do this, you have to suffer in order to get what you want.
Hi everyone, throughout all of this year studying many idioms with my friends and my dear teacher, my favorite idiom that I want to share with you is a nightmare dressed like a daydream. A nightmare dressed like a daydream. This idiom means a person who's superficially charming or attractive, but who's actually manipulative or abusive. For example, she was so kind and nice to people at first, but then she started to show her true colors. She was a nightmare dressed like a daydream.
Hello everyone, my name is Shania. Today I'm going to say my favorite idiom throughout the year, which is band-aids don't fix bullet holes. It means once a person's heart is broken, by saying sorry nothing happens. Just like when a glass breaks, by sticking up its pieces, it's not gonna get together.
Hello everyone, my name is Leah. Today I want to share my favorite idiom, which is the ball is in your court. It means that it's your time to make action or to make a decision. For example, I tell my friend the ball is in your court, so it's your turn to make the decision.
Hello everyone, my name is Ravan. One of my favorite that I have learned so far, it is drive someone up the wall. It means to irritate or to annoy someone. If you give an example for it, we can say my friend pops her chewing gum so loudly, it drives me up the wall.
Okay, so hello everyone, my name is Noor. Today I'm going to talk about my favorite idiom that I learned this year. By the bullet. It means, for example, means force yourself to do something difficult. For example, somebody is like, I can't do this work, I can't study hard, so you're going to say by the bullet, force yourself to do that.
Hello everyone, today I'm excited to share one of my favorite idioms that I've been learning in class. My favorite idiom is couch potato. A couch potato is someone who spends a lot of time lounging around, typically watching TV or playing video games, and not engaging in much physical activity, which is what we define as lazy. This idiom humorously describes a person who seems to have become part of the furniture due to their inactivity. For instance, you might say, ever since he's got a new video game, he's become a real couch potato. So that's my favorite idiom, couch potato.
Hello everyone, my name is Kanya and today I'm going to talk about my favorite idiom, which is cry over spilled milk. Cry over spilled milk means being unhappy about a situation from the past that cannot be changed. For example, my friend didn't pass her exam last year and she was crying over spilled milk.
Hello everyone, one of the idioms that I've learned throughout the year and one of my favorites are to turn a blind eye. To turn a blind eye means to refuse to admit something which someone knows to be real. For example, when someone says, I don't believe that someone did something, and you say, don't turn a blind eye, that person did that thing.